SPEC stock appears to be showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. As we count down to the open of today's session, that is today the 21st of June 2024, as you can see the stock is up 120%. This is on the news of certain agreements being disclosed by the company. Okay, so what we know for sure is that this is a penny stock, and it's been retracing since forever. You know, today is today's spike has seen it see a rejection at somewhere around $0.7, but we have also seen the price channel expand all the way towards 0.709, and we saw it reach the upper line of this of its price channel and has retraced inwards now. And what else can we expect? What else can we expect? Okay, it's a 1 minute chart, we can see that rejection we're talking about 0.7769. As a matter of fact, it has an upper projection of 0.8129. There's no guarantee that that will happen. As a matter of fact, we know for sure that stocks that usually volatile stocks in the pre-market session usually tend to retrace, so expect retracements all the way down to where it was yesterday. I want to believe expected to retrace all the way down to 0.6318. It closed at 0.34 yesterday, the 20th. What else we have here? Extrapolation is showing that some consolidation will happen. Extrapolation is saying that this bubble here will contract. Okay, and some of it is already taking place. Some contraction is taking place, even though we're seeing that the gains have continued to add up. Okay, what else do we have? About SPEC? We can have a look at its daily chart. I guess given what has happened today, we are now looking at a huge immense amount of extrapolation for the stock. There's absolutely no guarantee that this sort of prices will ever appear. Even let's see now, extrapolations of upper projections of 0.773 has already printed in this pre-market session. 0.82, maybe 0.8265, 0.9769, something that can happen. 1.16, 1.4, you know, maybe they are the sort of prices that can happen. But on this 1 minute chart, we're seeing consolidation of this consolidation or contraction of this bubble that has happened, you know. Yeah. Okay, outside that, we have there are other stocks on the move. Let's look at SRPT stock. SRPT stock is up 32.79%. Do we have any news concerning SRPT? We can just quickly find SRPT. SRPT is Sarepta Therapeutics. Okay, Sarepta is not a penny stock, and let's see. I think it's been consolidating for some time now. There isn't enough cash flow in the stock as such. You know, it's not it's been consolidating. The cash flow is not exactly fantastic, but with this gain, with this 30% gain we are looking at right now, it might be a different picture altogether. Let's have a look at its 1 minute chart here on Trading View. Yeah, that's the spike we are talking about here. That's that 30% spike. I got the rejection around 104.82. So if we come back here, 104. So yeah, some money has now come in now. So the chart, when the market opens, is going to look a lot different. It's going to look a lot different. So rejection was around 105, but there are upper projections. We have 176.73, 181. Okay, There are indeed downward projections. It's just slightly above 162.89. Therefore, the downward projections we have 151.82. Let's see. Okay, there isn't very much going on right now on its 1 minute chart. For some reason, it's yeah, just pretty much consolidating those gains. Yeah, Sarepta. Let's see whether we can find any news concerning Sarepta. Let's see what we have. Let's see. It says here, okay, we might find something here. Let's see. It may be more of RBC raises target to $182 from 142. Let's return to the headlines. We might find something else. Concerning Sarepta. Yeah, let's see. There might be something here. Okay, shares rallied 33% after the company said the FDA approved expansion of Illivides to include patients 4 years and older with Duchenne's muscular dystrophy and confirmed mutation in the DMD gene. Yeah, so that should be what is behind this rally for Sarepta. So Sarepta is not a penny stock, and definitely not being one may mean that institutional investors might be involved in the stock. They might be involved in it. So let's have a look at its daily chart. It's a 1 hour chart, rather. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Yeah, that's the same consolidation we are looking at here. On TradingView. So let's see what upper projections are. 172.92. Below that we have 169.31. Slightly below where it is, we have 164.44. All the way down here we have 159.98. That's a downward projection. Extrapolation is saying that weakness is going to set in for Sarepta. Okay, let's have a look at DMTK. Let's see what's going on here. DMTK is up 21.71%. DMTK, yeah, let's see. Okay, and then we have extrapolation is showing that strength will come back into the stock, and we have upper projection of 0.1522 on its also a penny stock. It's really tiny fractions there. It's trading 0.1179. Yeah, so before now it had projections of 0.440343, 0.5266. projections go all the way towards $1.27 or thereabouts. Let's see DMTK. Let's see what it has. DMTK. Let's see what the news is. DMTK. Let's see. There isn't any fresh news. For the stock. Okay, this is its daily chart, and yeah, strength is projected as well, but like everything, it's not guaranteed that it will happen. So let's look at ZCAR, ZCAR Holdings. ZCAR Holdings is currently, let's see what it has gained in this session. ZCAR up 26.2%. Volatility, we had a couple of bubbles now, 3 bubbles so far. Is it going to repeat another one? That's you may want to speculate that will be the case. Each time we saw that each time we saw it, each time a bubble printed, it contracted, but not for long. Another one printed, but it seems they're getting dampened. You can see this low is lower than this one, and this is lower than this. Are we going to see another bubble that will be lower, less than this? But on this 1 minute chart, it's so cyclical here. We haven't found any news. Projections up to 1.49, absolutely no guarantee. This is on its daily chart. Let's have a look at its let's have a look at another stock, KTRA. KTRA is let's see what's going on. Let's see, KTRA up at 10%. We saw a bubble here and has pretty much contracted. KTRA, do we have any news? There's no news for KTRA. Okay, not very much is going on here. There are indeed projections, but we might try to find what they are, what the projections are. We might be able to see what the projections are saying. Okay, so we have in this pre-market session, it's up 10%, trading at 0.3036. Is that where it is right now? Yeah, somewhere around here. And then there's 0.3470. The projections go all the way towards 0.4608. Yeah, let's return to SPEC. Let's see before we conclude this. SPEC. Yeah, it's like I mentioned earlier on, it's contracting before another trend occurs, before another spike occurs. So the gain is now 108%. It has given up around 12%. There seem to be a fresh news here. Let's see whether we can find it. Sarepta shares are trading higher around more than that, actually, as a matter of fact. So yes, have a look and see what you make of SPEC, SRPT, DMTK, ZCAR, and KTRA. And thank you very much for watching this video.